Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be building a Faraday flashlight, which is a flashlight that you need to shake in order to generate electricity to turn it on. Let's see it. Let's get started. So why is it created after Faraday's law? Well, basically because it implements the Faraday Law of Induction, which predicts the interaction between magnetic fields and electric circuits. So in short words, if we have an electric circuit and we apply a changing magnetic field over that circuit, voltage will be generated across the circuit, thus drawing current. So let me show you how it works on our flashlight. Here we have a lot of loops and a magnet inside this core. And whenever we shake the flashlight, we generate a changing magnetic flux on those loops, and which generates voltage. This voltage is then stored in a capacitor and could be used to turn on the LED. As simple as that. Let's get started with the build and let's go. Circuit, here's the coil, and we have a full bridge rectifier over here, and a super capacitor over here, a switch, LED, and a resistor. Now first of all, build this circuit and then explain how it works and where it goes. Let's go. So let's take a look at our electric circuit. Here we have the three coils which are coiled over this core, a full bridge rectifier, capacitor, and of course the LED and resistor. So first of all, we're shaking the magnet. Let's take for simplicity this perfect simple sine wave. Whenever we shake, we generate the sine wave on this coil as a voltage. This signal is not very effective because we have a positive and a negative voltage, which charges and discharges the capacitor, which is not very effective. We need to then transform the signal into an absolute value. So whenever we're shaking upwards and downwards, we're going to get a positive voltages. This is done by the full bridge rectifier over here, which is a 4 diode aligned in a specific way to generate this signal. Then we're looking at the voltage on the capacitor. The voltage on the capacitor over here will look something like this. We're charging, and every time we shake, the more we shake, the less the charging becomes effective, until we reach an absolute value of charge, and then this value can be used to discharge on the LED and resistor throughout pushing the switch, and this is what we're basically doing. Charge, and then we can discharge.